Hey, this is Rajiv Chaudhary. This video is for my assignment purpose. My professor asked me to do a short video on my report paper. I can't explain everything in the video, but I'll try to cover the key points in that. I selected my topic as privacy and security issues with big data. I divided my report paper into 6 sections as introduction, issues in big data, policy is to address privacy issues, literature discussion, and conclusion, which are the most common ones in every paper. Welcoming to the introduction, security and privacy issues are magnified by velocity, volume, and variety of such large scale cloud infrastructure, diversity in data sources and formats. Data is generated from sensors, individual objects, social networking, mm, Internet of Things, enterprises, and Internet in variety of formats. No matter what we do, we create a small amount of data. If, for example, if we click a photo and upload it into the internet, we created some data, and creation of data and its uses has been increased dramatically. Performance of companies has been started to count on successful exploitation of this data in order to serve the customers more efficiently. Privacy and security issues. What are the issues in big data, and what are the current problems we have? Use of disclosure of personal information by the data holder, rapid growth in internet and its application, which has collected personal but also critical data in the name of in the name to avoid anomalies. Cyber threats and security breaches. What are the existing solutions we have for this? We have passwords and control access, multi-layer authentication, data leakage prevention technologies. We also have written pledges, which means we return documents we written on the paper type. Uh, what are the threats and vulnerabilities? Insecure competition, allowing insecure programs to access the sensitive information. Endpoint endpoint input validation, what kind of services products are trusted, which data input is valid. Storage and communication, disclosure, distributed storage, networking, literacy, etc. And what are the biasedness we have? Discrimination of users through specific digging or internet users activity and their personal profile, unnecessary grading, tracking through systems, customization and personalization. For example, Google Maps trackers. If we're using a Google Maps, they will track us everywhere, even though if we are not using at the particular time or at the particular moment, they even track our location. Like, what are the policies to address privacy issues? There are some private policies in United States and United Kingdom. The people living in United States and United Kingdom has a bit more uh, security than the other nations. What are the what existing policies does not cover? And ownership of big data, this is the biggest one, and there is no owner for big data. uh, we are the owners for our personal information, but there is no specific owner for big data. What are the literatures? Balancing between state policy of personal data and the protection of individual, cyber policies, the difficulties of deleting information that has been made available online, and problems of relying solely of dramatic privacy regulations, and different religion approaches to data protections, and convergence towards global data protection principles, etc. uh, Discussions. Welcoming to the discussions, I got two main points. Those are we returning to the age of master slave by allowing the trade internet users as an objectives. What we believe, government act as an guardian to citizen, protect our privacy, or breach the piracy? No, we we are owner to our private data. We need to ensure our data is secured or not. So finally, coming to the conclusion part, privacy issues in big data is scary to protect freedom, security, etc. Privacy policy on confident regularity boundaries are seemed to be sorry ineffective, which needs to be widely accepted regularity enforcing body that makes the common consumers to uh, what drive big data issues. Data ownership and respect on data ownerships are another issues, another which can be interchangeable to the privacy, but its extent should be limited. And thanks for watching, guys. And one more thing, take control of your personal data. Be aware what you share on social media, as social media is our biggest threat for our privacy. Anyway, and thanks for my professor as well for making me do this video. And thanks for everyone watching this. And as I collected everything from the internet sources, I thank each and every internet source who provide and or which provide this information for me. Thank you everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.